Bubba and Zara driving Papa's tractor. Hi, Bubba.
Hi, Bubba.
Are you driving a tractor?
Yeah.
Are you killing vampires?
Yeah.